Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your Loom video with others. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see your navigation menu. Click on Library to access all your recorded videos. This is where all your Loom recordings are stored and organized for easy access. Once you're in your library, take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific Loom video you want to share. This could be a tutorial, presentation, or any recording you've made that you're ready to distribute to others. After you've found the right video, look for the three dots icon next to it and click on it. This will open up a menu with various sharing and management options for your video, giving you full control over how you distribute your content. Now, here's an important step for accessibility. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled General Access with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and select Public from the available options. This setting ensures that anyone with the link can view your video even if they don't have a Loom account. It's essential if you're sharing with clients, students, or anyone outside your organization. With your video now set to public, you have multiple ways to share it. If you want to send it directly through email, click on the External tab. From here, you can connect your Gmail account, which allows you to send the video link directly to recipients through your email without leaving the Loom platform. This streamlines the sharing process and keeps everything in one place. Alternatively, if you're looking to reach a broader audience, click on the Social tab. This option lets you share your Loom video directly on various social media platforms, making it perfect for announcements, tutorials, or promotional content you want to broadcast to your followers. For those who want to embed the video on a website or blog, click on the Embed option. This will generate an embedded code that you can simply copy and paste wherever you want the video to appear. It's ideal for adding tutorials to help centers, including demos on landing pages, or enriching blog posts with video content. You'll also notice a text field where you can directly input names or email addresses of people you want to share the video with. This is perfect for sending it to specific team members or clients quickly without having to open your email separately. Finally, if you just need to grab the link and share it manually through messaging apps or anywhere else, simply click Copy Link. This copies the video URL to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. And that's it. You've successfully set up multiple sharing options for your Loom video, giving you the flexibility to distribute your content however works best for your audience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.